about that, bees.
Yeah, we just we didn't do it. It just cut.
It cut off. I think I've got something wrong with my phone. I think. Anyway, what we were saying is
we've just finished it, and look at this snail. He's drinking all of his water. We have to put. If they drink it really quickly, you just check on them to see how they're doing before you leave it, and because they just like ours have drunk their water already.
Yeah, we need to keep topping it up. So the way to keep it all moist inside, and this is very important to keep them hydrated, is to get a spray bottle and just spray the soil every day, a couple of times a day.
He's coming here now.
So just spray it. The other thing is all the information is on the pack for making these snaileries, or you can follow the step-by-step that Freddie's given us. So we hope you enjoyed our video. What do you say?